Hello ladies, welcome back to another video. I hope you guys have been doing great in this quarantine. I know it's been a while, but I want you to enjoy this video. Okay guys, so we are getting the kitchen floor done, and I wanted to let you see how it currently is at this moment. So we have a professional coming and resanding the entire floor. That was me a couple days ago.
Thank you, God.
Also, I want you to take a look at this room because we have already started with the lamp and the window. And we are remodeling, painting, and doing this entire room all over again. Well, not all over, but you know what I mean. Super excited. These are good condition. All right, guys. I'm excited. Okay guys, so this area also needs sanding. As you can see here on the floor, it has a big like black discolored wood stain from the previous owners, and I wanted you to take a look at it now so you can see the difference at the after. And don't mind the packages and the dirty house. We are a bit under construction, so yep, that's what you get, a lot of mess. Okay guys, so we have hit a snag. So you know how here the floor has really bad water damage. When we bought this house, the floor was already that way. So the sand guy, the sanding company, suggested we buy the oak floor, but we did not find it anywhere. So what I suggested them, after going to so many places, my husband today, I told them, well, take it from here so you can patch up over there, and then whatever floor you find, we can do here in the mud room. And that's what we're gonna be doing for tomorrow. So stay tuned for that. Stay tuned for the cleaning, painting. We're gonna be doing a bench. We're gonna be painting this room. We're gonna be removing these shelves. We're going to extend this cabinet. We're going to actually buy gray colored cabinets. We're gonna get rid of the upper shelves or cabinets, extend this, and then over here we are going to add the fridge, cabinets, and then the stove over here. So stay tuned for that. Okay guys, so this is the third day. As you can see, the house is a mess, super mess. We have boxes of all my Mother's Day gift everywhere. The floor guy is gonna fix this area here. That's why this is moved over here. Yep, like I said, boxes everywhere. So we don't have a kitchen currently right now, so everything is in the dining room, including the ugly fridge, which I'm excited to know that I'm gonna get a new one. So let's look at the process or the progress, what's been happening. I'm so excited. After so long, we have decided to restore this wood and fix it up. It was so damaged when we bought this house. We knew that we were going to fix it, and the day is here. I can't wait. So like I said before, here's the floor guy removing some pieces out of the mudroom to bring it up here to the kitchen, or lay it down in the kitchen. We are going to be putting a different floor in the mudroom. Since it's a small little room, we can change the wood there, but not the entire kitchen because we couldn't find all this floor. Well, that's it for the first part of this floor rental video. Hope you guys liked it. Like and subscribe, and I will be reading you guys pretty soon. Stay tuned for more.